What is the? I almost said that word. Almost said that word. We're back again. Beautiful Wednesday, June 10th. Let's get into it, boys. We just got my homebro calling. He's brushing his teeth, bro. Lock in, dude. 1 minute. 1 minute before market opens, dude. What are we on right now? All right. Anyway, boys. Hourly is bullish because we just broke structure to the upside. We have a CPI data high. Right now we're trending pretty bullish. Our next draws to the downside are London lows and 4 hour lows. So the 4 hours bearish, right? So I think the higher time frame bias is bearish, but in the short term, if we're gonna come down and take out these lows, we need to at least take this data high, London highs, and some of these stacked highs up here. So really depends. I want to see maybe a sweep of this 5 minute low and then continue higher, or a sweep of these stacked highs and then we'll rotate down. So that's really the bias for today. Kind of neutral overall, but yeah, let's get into it. We'll see where market opens. All right, boys, market open. Let's see where we go. Today's a great day, honestly.
All right, boys. What's up? We're back. Yeah, let's get into this. I already did my intro, don't worry. My intro this time. What's up with TJ's?
Bro, I'm so pressed. My mom said pick up my brother at noon. I'm like, that's my Jim Balone time, bro.
Where's your brother at?
Driver's head.
Oh, legit. You didn't pick him up?
I'll figure it out. I'll get my sister to get her. Hit him. Dude, birds are chirping. With my window open. Oh yeah, my brother or sister is at home, so.
Parents are gone. Life is great. This last 2 days have been a little bit unfortunate. We're bouncing back in. We're bouncing back.
Do you like the new webcam location?
What's different about it? Bro, nobody using your old phone, bro. That is devious.
Dude, it's good quality.
My camera quality's so ass.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, looks like we have an entry coming in soon. I might be going short here right now.
Side out, dude. Alright. I'll see you
I'll
after.
let you go.
Yeah, I'll see you. Alright, boys. That's one of the homies I'm getting rich with, bro. In Miami. Apartment. You can already see the fucking vision, dude. Manifesting that shit. We made equal lows. Gosh darn it. So I think at a minimum we're gonna come down and take these. That looks like shit, dude. Why does the 1 minute on ES look like that? You, dude. You. Fucking you. This pre-market is choppy as shit I've ever seen. Okay, so let's come down and take those lows, please. We'll hammer them. No need to worry about that one. Yeah. Gonna work on the 5 minute confirmation today. So 3 things: wait for 5 minute confirmation, no trades after 10:30, and stop using discretion when it setup forms. So, because what I have been doing is been like, oh, the trend is super bullish. We're probably gonna retrace deeper, even though we just tapped into a 5-minute gap. The trend is strong. We just displaced back to the upside.
Congratulations, you most definitely passed your bar. This is probably the most volatile CPI we have had in the last year. I've been trying the CPI method for the last probably 3-4 months, and it just has not been worth it. The ROI is not there. You always like.
So we took the low on both indexes. However, we also swept out these highs come market open. So it's got to be careful of that. If we displace like lower than we are right now, dude, it's looking much better for shorts. Guys, it aligns with the higher time frame bias. Yes, we are technically in a 30-minute gap, 15-minute gap, but we're about to break structure on the 5-minute. Or, I guess not break structure, just continue structure. So, I mean, dude, we came so far past these lows. I've flipped my bias. We're definitely bearish now. Not flip my bias. We never ended up sweeping those highs, which kind of pisses me off because I would have much rather taken those highs. So we just gotta watch and wait. Right now it's looking more bearish. I'm just gonna stay patient today. I'm not gonna say that I'm not, but I mean, if okay, we're completely reversing this complete change. I'm waiting for some sort of 5-minute confluence. Okay, I mean, that's a crazy reversal that we're getting. So this is exactly what I was talking about. We probably will take these highs now, which will be good. And then we can see a rotation down from there. I'd much rather take shorts than longs. Just because if you look at this our time frame, dude, it's just dumper city. It's just dumper. And oh, I can bear you stay, get your booty. Oh, I will bear you stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. Make my day. Yo, let's get some music on. What is this? Nah, this is the type of shit I listen to when I'm fucking tripping. Right now, let's play some, we just got a fucking Lamborghini Revuelto performance. I don't even know what the top model is on there. It's like, you know, Lamborghini is Aventador S, SV, SVJ, SVR. Not sure about the Revuelto though. We just got an SVJ and we're making a car edit with the boys because they got some insane cars. Obviously, mine's SVJ and my boys is like fucking shitbox, like McLaren 765. My other boys in like a STO. And we're cruising down the highway. We're cutting up. We got a camera car in front. And there's a helicopter cruising by, and we're getting that clip. And then the caption of the video is GTA 6 trailer. And then there's another helicopter that comes across, and then we're going like back and forth between the lanes. Well, that's enough of that. I haven't listened to this song in a while. My top listens. else is better. Okay, we took the data highs. I mean, took it for liquidity to the upside, but not much. I'd be completely fine rotating down right now and holding this hourly gap. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So, we took data high on both. Took one and high here, didn't take one and high here, and then we took this hourly high, didn't take it there. So, yes, that's a potential bearish SMT. It sucks that we might break 5-minute structure here because then we'll have to wait for 5-minute structure to break back to the downside. All good though, all good though. I'll make the setup more confident. But this is barely a break on NQ, and we're supposed to be leading here, so I mean lagging here. What the fuck happened to the water bottle, dude? Here. Gotta hydrate up for the gym. Dude, I'm low-key going strong on the no phone first 30 minutes. I think my morning routine here is fucking valid as shit, bro. I need it to be like that every day. Woke up, got dressed, brushed, shaved, washed my face a little bit. Then went downstairs, drank caffeine, took a shit, ate eggs and toast. No oils, no seed oils. And I drank a lot of water, creatine. Washed some dishes for the mother. Cleaned up my mess I made with eggs. Well, what else did I do? And I going upstairs the entire time. Oh, I washed my clothes. I'm a little responsible young adult. It's gay that we're rejected. This is gay. This is so gay, dude. Like, I want you to rotate down right now. Like, dude, come down. Oh. I mean, like, these highs like aren't that great, dude. I'm not gonna. I mean, what we can keep in mind is that this swept out an extremely high resistance low, because this is like a key reversal point. However, I don't know. However, 4 hour and 1 hour is so bearish. We'll just wait. We don't want to respect all these highs we're just taking out. Take longs, but my Stanley. Drink out of a glass. Those microplastics. Dude, it's such a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. I gotta figure out the calculation one. Yeah, it's 1200. It's 2x whatever you risk. You divide by this middle number, 362. So whatever you want to risk, 600, double it, 1200, and then divide 1200 over 362, and that's your thoughts. I'll probably do it an easier way. It's like this is picks and this is points, so you could just also just do, because this is 4x, right? Yeah. Because ticks are 4x points, so you could also do 300 over 90 and get the same thing. The old gaming set dash became the fucking trailers. That's made me dizzy from one spin. It's we're printing higher highs and higher lows, so like it's we're bullish. The fact that we're already so high up here, I feel like these low resistance draws aren't necessarily going to be a reversal point, because we have a swing 4-hour high and Asia highs above. That's much better, much stronger draw that price wants. Already in strong bullish order flow. What other moves do we have? Nothing. We can close the tap. Dude, I wish I could like angle this down more. High up. Too high up, dude. My mic's all fucking swell. I'm in a retrace, that's to come soon. We priced in a low that we can break structure to the downside with. Where we are right now is perfect for confidence that we're going to take these draws. Well, we're going to take them before we can get an entry, probably. Ideally, make equal highs. Or relative equal highs. Market makers seem to like edge everyone and be like, "Yo, we're taking the highs now," but really we just want to retrace and then take them. Alright, boys. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? We're seeing the market make a start to pick out some people. So let's tap into this EQ. I'm more favoring Nas just because we're making more relative equal highs.
Let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's a good life.
Get rid of all these highs. It's a little bit distracting. We already took them. No point in having them on. So, I've actually been in this situation multiple times where we do actually price in relative equal highs and then we don't end up taking them. So, we have to come down, want to smack this EQ, but then immediately we have to start reversing, because if we don't immediately start reversing, we close below this equilibrium, dude, like I'm telling you, it's wraps. I'm telling you it's wraps because we just took a bunch of hourly highs. We're in this 4-hour bearish trend. This isn't even using discretion, dude. This is just experience of a market. But like ideally we come down a little bit more to price in a high so that we can actually break structure instead of inverse this gap, because if we invert that gap, we the entry will be like dead buns here, stops here, targets here. That'd be a 0.46 RR. Perfect. 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 We're in the 5-minute gap on ES. We just don't have that gap on NQ. I do want to smack EQ on NQ. EQ on NQ. EQ on NQ. EQ on NQ.
Let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's a good life. Treat you right. 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 I'm gonna treat you right. Treat you right. Say, baby, treat you right. Treat you right. Baby, treat you right. Treat you right. Baby, treat you right. Get down my left and swing to the
I
right.
didn't expect to break that up.
Get down my left and swing to the right.
Close. Be closed within the 5-minute gap, so ideal. Okay, this is what I want. NQ to come down, smack equilibrium, make an SMT off of this low, because technically we already have a bullish SMT, and then I'll wait for the break on NQ, use that on confluence on ES, and bam, 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 bam.
Treat you right. Get down my left and swing to the right. You wanna be with him, that's right.
I just want to come down, dude.
Treat you right.
We didn't break on NQ.
Treat you right. Baby, treat you right. Treat you right. Baby, treat you right. Get down the left and swing to the right. You wanna be with him, that's right. Get down the left and swing to the right. Treat you right. Get down the left and swing to the right. You wanna be with him, that's right. Get down the left and swing to the right. Treat you right. Get down the left and swing to the right. You wanna be with him, that's right. Get down the left and swing to the right. Treat you right. Get down the left and swing to the
Dude,
right. You
just
wanna
lowering my risk to reward. Oh, sh- I could take it on Q here. 358, 1200. 8, 3 lots. Yeah, I like this. Oh shit! Oh no, that's the same. So I want to risk. I don't even need that much. I'll take off one. I think I'll take off one. Oh, I just sold 3, dude. Holy fuck, dude. Ah, I'm an idiot, dude. Should be enough to pass. Fucking idiot. I meant to sell 1. I'm going break even once I take the highs on. Yes.
But you never really knew that. But you never really knew I felt this way.
See what we do here, boys. We broke on NQ. They just fucking fucked it up, the fucking entry, dude. All good though. Hopefully we smack the highs.
There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that. But you never really knew I felt this way. There's a million things.
Come on, man. Like, I feel like we should just pump, dude. At least on ES. And take those highs out. Asia highs are a pretty good target there. I think. Oh my god, dude. Not fucking having that shit. Dude, I was so confident. She had an SMT and then we broke on both indexes. Fuck! Emotional ass trade right here, boys. Emotional ass trader. Emotional ass trader. And we traded on the lagging index. I just traded on here because I thought relative equal highs. We're not out yet. Gotta pee. Hopefully we don't hit stop. Oh, maybe I just watch it hit stop. God damn it, dude. I'm not even gonna turn this call off. Dude, can't catch a fucking break, bro.
Hold on.
Nah, about to get stopped, bro. Computer, reverse the poison. It's looking gay, bro. This is so gay. I'm extending stop loss. Fuck. We're gonna take those lows. There's no fucking way we don't. Hammered in. I will re-enter if we make an SMT off that low though.
Griffin's dad has 3K subs, and I'm recording a video with him on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna drop me a fucking follow, bro. Shout out.
So fucking gay, dude.
But we low-key took out hella draws to the upside. I don't know why you
Dude, respecting all 5-minute bullish order flow.
get that, but we took out data highs, London highs, 30-minute highs.
Yeah, but what I was saying to my chat is that we're gonna close bullish on the hourly, and we have a swing high to the upside, so the swing high matters more than those low resistance draws. Price is more likely to fucking target those swing highs. I shouldn't fucking taken it on NQ, dude.
Yeah, whatever. That's why I thought you went EX.
Yeah, that's so dumb. Because we'll take those draws regardless.
So what are you at, break even?
What? You mean break
What are you
even?
at? On the account.
Dude, I'm still up 2,000. That's so gay, dude. That's actually gay.
Alright, boys, we're about to get TP here in ES.
Side bound. And? Cancel. No.
Big balls. Alright, boys, the day is over.
I'm so gay for trading on NQ, boys. That was just bad emotions. I even.
out for the day.
Alright,
Guys.
0.7 RR. Should have just taken it on ES. Alright, boys. I think that's it for me. Might stay on here for a little bit. Damn. Negro.
Yo, is your video over?
Mm-mm.
Let me know. Let me know when you end it. I gotta tell you something.
Just tell me something. I'll go on mute. Alright, boys. I might be back in soon. I'm not even respecting a 1 minute gap. We might get this bullish candle out of it. Might get the bullish candle out of it. It's gonna be such a poor ass RR though. Can't take it, dude. I should have just taken it when the 1 minute filled. I'm fucking done. God damn it, bro. I'm pressed right now. Cause I fucking took it on NQ. Thought ES would just take the highs right away and I could go break even. So unfortunate, bro. Genuinely. Where emotions get you. Not even emotions, just fucking market, dude. Why do we have to create an SMT? Why can't we just smack the highs? On ES, minimum. Dude, it's fucking right next to you. Why, where are you going? How much?
$100 from 10 to 2.
Oh. Yeah. But you never really know that. But you never really know I felt this way. Missy, do you really miss me? She lied to your face. Alright. I'm gonna go piss. This is so gay. It's dry.
Charm.
Yeah, figure out a ride for my brother. It's actually the gayest shit I've ever seen. We make an SMT right on my entry, bro. It's because I entered on NQ and not ES.
Maybe cry a little more. It might reverse.
Hopefully it does, and then makes an SMT, and then I can trade back up to the highs.
I realized I'm fucking getting naked in front of you.
Dead buns pressed. You still have the draws on NQ. See if we want to retrace.
Bro. Looks retarded.
Yeah, they always do.
How's it look?
Looks retarded. And we still have a swing high intact on ES, aligning with a 4-hour gap that we can fill, so bullish still looks good for now. We tap into this EQ, but we have to break to the downside and break back to the upside.
TikTok, really quick. Look at this video. Let's see the YouTube.
Yeah, that guy's huge, bro. Ugh, come on, bro. Of course we'll just take the highs. Fucked it up, bro. Should just wait for that fucking retrace. I mean, we did still follow the strategy. Break to the downside, break back to the upside. Only thing is, I entered on the lagging index, which not necessarily lagging. Well, actually lagging on a 1-minute SMT. Alright, if we take Asia highs, it's wraps and hopping off here. I just want to pass this across so damn bad, dude. It's actually
Hey guys,
pissing me
here
off.
to be emotional. He struggles with emotions sometimes.
Not really. You struggle a lot more than me.
Think so? I don't set the charts bitch. Makes a good off them.
Yeah, but if there's another entry, I'm going to fucking wait for it and take it. Okay, let's reverse right here because we made relative equal highs with Asia highs. It's a strong draw. Let's reverse right now.
Computer, stop life right now for the day. How much did you lose? 600?
450. Dead buns, dude, dead buns. Why do you think it's a future mistake? I don't think, holy shit. That was the most volatile shit I've seen.
You can go trade this.
Alright, see you.
Yeah.
We have to leave these highs on ES. Looks like we're about to take the highs on NQ. Probably gonna just log off here. We have to break to the. We have to get a lot of confluence going here. Let me just come down. This is my reasoning. If we do come down, let me just go over it real quick. We have relative equal highs here. We took a 5-minute high. We took Asia highs here for a potential SMT. However, we're still in high time frame bearish or bullish now because the hourly. Look at how we closed. Let me see the 4-hour. 4-hour, we technically are still in bearish, but we left a swing high with a 4-hour gap. Let's see if we tapped in the EQ. We tapped in the EQ definitely. So that's a potential reversal point. We'll just pay close attention now. We reject here because these are extremely relative equal highs. But it depends how price wants to reverse. So we broke to the downside. A potential 1-minute SMT. Still, even with this break to the downside, I don't know if we'll get an entry. And yeah, we just left this 4-hour high aligning with the 4-hour gap. Dang it. Damn it. Dang it, dude. Of course we gotta be like this. Of course we gotta be like that. Dang nabbit. Dang nabbit. It's looking extremely unlikely that we'll get an entry here.
Excited when Dr. Pepper contacted me about promoting creamy coconut? Absolutely. Because it also happens to be my favorite flavor. I found you in that chair. I found you in that chair. I found you in that chair. I found you in that chair.
I could go to the moon if I wanted to, and then I'm gonna get rich. You know what I mean?
Objectively, no. How are you going to the moon?
Factually, I could. I could remove it if I wanted to, and then I'm gonna get rich.
Objectively, no. Factually, I could.
God has weird ways of sending messages, but if this is on your For You page right now, it's working. And I was even on this one.
Okay, we just removed that fucking wrestler, that gap.
All these people on your For You page making all this money online, you think that they're very different from you. Like, that was the same thing I thought a year and a half ago when I was in my college dorm. I was like, what do they have that I don't? But now that I'm living the life that I was dreaming of, that I really thought about in my college dorm a year and a half ago, I realized
Okay, let's make a woman acid tea or something. Let's get a bearish candle here and then we can break. We gotta come down. If we come anywhere above this high, okay, it's wraps. So pressed about that loss, dude. Oh no, we're gonna take Asia highs. I'm so confident on NQ. We're gonna take Asia highs. You don't just price in relative equal highs like this and not fucking take them with a swing high above, aligning with a 4-hour gap in 5-minute bullish, rejecting at a 5-minute equilibrium, maintaining that bullish structure. Just doesn't happen. I could go to the moon if I wanted to and then I'm already rich. Objectively, no. How are you going to the moon? Actually, I could. That's gay too. Like, I'm not taking a 0.7, risking 1,000. Because that won't even pass the account, so. Whoa, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scammer gets scammed. 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 Scammer gets scammed.
it's like they have an actual burning desire inside of them to take action, and when they have an idea, they take action on it. Most people just sit on that idea and do nothing about it. Most people don't become successful because all they do is they just sit there and dream, and when it comes to take that leap and take that jump, they don't do anything. To achieve your goals and to achieve everything you've ever wanted, you have to understand the future version of you that has everything you dream about already exists, and he's looking down on you right now, telling you just to take action, just to jump, and just to lock in, because he knows what's possible. You just don't see the vision yet. You are worthy. You are destined to achieve everything that you've ever wanted. You just have to believe it in yourself and believe it in your soul that you're worthy of achieving those things. This video will find you when you're ready for it. God has weird.
Okay, dude, we didn't break there.
This video.
Matrix and a 5-minute EQ. Bang, bada, ba, boom, ba, ba, pow. And there's the RR fucking gone, dude. Oh my god, dude. I told you we would take Asia highs on NQ and not make an SMT. You didn't fucking believe me. You didn't fucking believe me, dude. You didn't fucking believe me. There's just no entry. Alright, I'm hopping off here. Fucking come back tomorrow. That's it.